Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. So this is the video that I wanted to make from quite some time, and finally here it is, guys. In this video I will cover and tell you guys about the best BBA colleges in Bangalore other than Christ University. So basically BBA is a very good bachelor's degree that you can do. Along with that, Bangalore as a city is amazing to study and stay in. So here are the 5 colleges that you can look at. This video is not going to be in any particular order. That means that I'm not going to do any ranking like number 1 college, number 2 college, number 3. All these colleges are good and you need to decide which one suits. I have got about all the important information that you need to consider as a student. So either you can look them up as a backup option or a genuine option of how you can go and pursue your undergrad degree for the next 3 years. So here it is, guys. The first college, guys, is St. Joseph's College of Commerce. St. Joseph's College of Commerce has 3 types of BBA. One is the BBA regular. The other is BBA Entrepreneurship, which is in collaboration with the National Entrepreneurship Network. Along with that, they also have BBA Professional, which is Finance and Accountancy, BBA FNA basically, and that is in collaboration with CIMA, which stands for Chartered Institute of Management Accountants, wherein anybody who would pursue this particular BBA would get 9 out of the 16 papers exempted for CIMA. So pretty lucrative option. The admission process is pretty simple. They have something called SM80, which is the St. Joseph's Management Admission Test. Then they have the GD. A lot of people are selected after the GD itself, and for a few they also have the interview round. That's how you get selected to St. Joseph's College of Commerce, and the fees is approximately rupees 1,38,400 for each of the year. The other one is Jain University. I've already made a detailed video about Jain University, so you can do check that out. They offer 5 types of BBA. One is the corporate BBA. The second is the BBA World of Work, which is relatable to entrepreneurship. Then they also have started this year with BBA in Sports Management. The other one is BBA Honors, and the 5th one is BBA FNA, which again is associated with ACCA. Along with that, guys, Jain University also has 10 types of BMS. Now BMS stands for Bachelor's of Management Studies. It is a very similar course to that of BBA, whereas all the BMS courses are focused towards one particular thing. Something is related to digital marketing, something is related to branding and advertisement, something is related to aviation management. So you can look at those 10 options as well. So in total they have approximately 15, if you may want to call it, BBA and BMS related courses. So a lot of options for any student who wants to pursue in anything that they've already made up their mind towards. Talking about the admission process, it's a pretty easy process. You have the Jain admission entrance test. Along with that, you have the interview, which is a very basic interview that they have, and then after that you are given the admission to Jain University. The fees, mind you guys, the fees here is quite expensive, and I think it comes in one of the most expensive courses in the country itself in comparison to the other courses that are offered for BBA. So the fees is approximately rupees 2,15,000 per year, so it gets to about 6,60,000 for the 3 years that you'll be spending at Jain University, and this is just the tuition fees, and your living and stay and all of those will be other than this. The next one is Kristu Jayanti College. They have 3 types of BBA. One is BBA regular, the other is BBA Business Analytics, and the third one is BBA Aviation Management. The admission process is pretty simple. They directly have something what you call a counseling round or an interview round. After that, you're told whether you're selected or you're not selected. For people who come from science background or from non-accountancy background, they also have an accounts exam that you need to take, and after that only you'll be known whether you've made it through Kristu Jayanti or not. Basically, it's a pretty basic, simple one. They've also put down the syllabus of that on the university's website, so you can check it out. But I think in general, anybody who will study for like 3-4 days can make it through that exam. So that's the whole admission process. The fees is just rupees 80,000 per year. So you can get done with your undergrad degree for BBA in just 2,40,000, which is a pretty lucrative option for everybody to look at. The next college I have on my list is Presidency College. Now I haven't made a detailed video on Presidency College, so do let me know, guys, if you want me to make a detailed video on Presidency College. Also, you can put down in the comments below. They just have one type of BBA, which is the BBA General. The admission process is nothing. You just need to fill up an admission form, and then you'll have an interview which will be telephonic in nature, or you can even have a video call, and that's how you make it through. Talking about the fees is rupees 1,30,000 rupees per year. So not very expensive, not very cheap, and that is what it is about the Presidency College for BBA. The last college that I have on my list is Mount Carmel's College. Now guys, the only thing that I need to warn you guys is that it's not a co-ed college, which means that this college is only for girls. They offer two types of BBA. One is BBA regular. Along with that, they also have a BBA in business analytics. The admission process is nothing but an entrance test. After that, there's a group discussion, and then there is an interview. Right now, I don't think so they're having the group discussions because of the COVID times. Usually that's how it used to happen, but I think after the entrance test, they're directly moving to the personal interview. The fees, guys, is a very lucrative option. It's just rupees 50,000 rupees per year, which is like great. You can just get done with your undergrad degree in just 1,50,000 rupees. Obviously the living and staying expenses are going to be extra, but this is what it is for Mount Carmel College. I've also made a detailed video on the same, so you can do check that out. So yes guys, that is majorly it. I just want to tell you guys that these are not the only colleges in Bangalore that offer BBA. Naturally, I think that these are the best amongst all of them, but you also have like Garden City College, MS Ramaya. There's so many other colleges that you can be looking at as well. If you want me to do a detailed review of any of those colleges, you can put down in the comment below. If you like this video, do smash the like button. Please guys, it would really help the YouTube algorithm to make this video reach to a lot more people. Comment below again, like if you have for any doubts, question, queries, any suggestions, all of that. I'll surely try help if I can. Along with that guys, please share this video with as many people as you can. Put it up in your class groups, your friend groups, so that this video has the maximum reach. Last but not the least guys, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because you guys would get regular updates of whenever I upload any new video. Along with that, I'll get more motivated to make more videos for you all. That's it for this video guys. Take care. Bye bye.